现在就让我们一起来欣赏客家音乐。
Hey, it's time for more Hakka music on Icrt. Now here we got a female singer who is also a drummer and a graduate of the Taipei National University of the Arts, and this song you're about to hear won her a Hakka Music Award. Her name is Cho Li Su, and a song called Man Man Xing, which literally means walk slowly, to encourage people when they face their challenges in life, maybe reality and your dreams clash. Well, just walk slowly and be positive.
山川變大海，人生路總愛天天行，看清幾多山川變大海，人生路總愛天天行，人生路總愛天天行。
嘿，这首好听的《慢慢行》呢，是由来自苗栗的客家人邱丽苏所带来的作品哦，是他自己作词作曲，而且是他第一首母语的创作，也以这首歌呢获得了2016年的台湾原创流行音乐大奖客语组3奖哦。而这首歌里面的这个理念呢，其实是来自于他毕业之后，然后呢在面临社会现实啦，还有这个梦想的一些冲突而写出的一首正面能量的歌。希望提醒大家呢，记得呢在你的梦想的路当中呢，可能会碰到一些困难，但只要勇敢向前走呢，还是会有好风景在前面迎接着你。而身为鼓手的他呢，也很巧思的在这首歌的后半段呢，把鼓声也融入进来了，非常好听。我们继续来收听我们的《慢慢行》。That again is Cho Li Su with her hit single Man Man Xing. And as a drummer herself, look at her building up the drum arrangements here at the end of the single. Well, another great song here on More Hakka Music. My name is Joseph Lin, and I hope to see you next time.
客家风情由客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.